Good morning. Good morning. See how long before my glasses get messed up. It is wild. It is wild New England blizzard weather. Hold on, let me show you guys. Woo, the snow is a-drifting. It's wild out. Woo! Let's go to the ocean. Oh my God, look at this. Can't even see around me. This is awesome. The dog has no interest in going out. I have to walk her down here at the beach. I don't even have... This is proper New England weather, okay? And I'm properly dressed in my hoodie and my vest in a little, whatever the heck, ear cover, in no snow pants, some Uggs, some very thin legging jogger things. Hey, how's the weather where you are? It's me. All right, we're going down to the water. All right, hold on, I'm gonna flip it around. No one wants to see me. You can hardly see it now. I have to climb the mountain, guys. This is gonna be fun. We gotta hike. Oh my God. I don't even have gloves on. One of the kids stole them. Who needs gloves? I'm just getting in. Look, we're getting dirty. We're getting wet. We're taking one for the team here. I'm going to be covered in snow. You might have to send a rescue. Why is no one else at the beach? What, this doesn't look like fun? We got snow in our feet. Hold on, guys. It's actually so cool. You can't see anything. I don't even know how deep this is. I'm going way down. So the first time that I did my birthday water dip, whatever, wind swimming, this is pretty much what the weather was like. This is why the kids were crying. Mommy's gonna die. All right. Look at the waves. They're pretty big. I gotta go sideways. Going side. We're walking sideways with the wind. It's very low tide right now. Hold on. I think it's very low tide. This is a hike. Oh, we're going all the way down. This is awesome, Mike. What are you talking about? Maple's like, absolutely, I am not going for a walk down here. The kids are like, we are absolutely not going for a walk. Have fun, Mom. Here we go. We're almost there. This is like the lowest tide has ever been. I'm not joking. Who needs Jim Cantori at the weather station? Okay, we got coffee with Karen. The ocean pit, the frozen slush. Oh, I guess we're in the ocean. Look at the angry sea. This is so awesome. I'm gonna stand sideways so we can look at it for a minute. This is actually not even doing justice. The waves are really high. Those are very high waves. I don't know what they're like coming in right there. Those are over my head. We do not need the National Weather Station, okay? We just need coffee with Karen at the ocean. Stand up! The slush is deep. Oh, it's coming closer. Are we gonna get swept away? Are we? We don't know. Here, look, it's coming. It's like, oh, she's right here. Now we're gonna take it with us, guys. We could have a live sweep away. Don't tell Lee Goldberg. These waves are so big right now. Hold on. Those are, I know it does not look like it, but those waves right there, the ones that are coming in, are way over my head. Those are over my head. That huge one right there is over my head. Okay, public service announcement. I did not get swept away. I did not mean to end that live. I did not get swept away. There's too much precipitation on my hand, and I don't have gloves on, so I'm gonna have to go back to the house. But I want to show you guys again. These waves right here, which look way farther away than they are way over my head. That's way over my head, and they're getting angrier. Those are way over my head. We're the only people out at the beach. Those are way over my head. Okay, we gotta leave. You guys are staying with me so that I don't Goldberg will get mad. Hold on. Yeah. So here's my Maine weather update. It's cold out. Alright, let's see what else. You might want to mix a little Allen's coffee brandy in your coffee today to stay extra warm. If you got deer meat in the freezer, it's time to take it out, pull it out, throw it right on the grill. I don't know. Steam it, soak it, choke it. Who knows? I don't cook it. I'm losing my fake hat. It's gonna take a few minutes for my hands to thaw out when we get back. I feel like I'm going hiking up. You're staying with me so I don't get lost. But it's worth it. Also, for the record, Lee Goldberg is bringing me coffee. Although, my hands will be too cold to hold it. Oh my gosh, the snow got even deeper. The sign, hold on, let me show you. The sign is buried again. This sign right here should not be this high. So, this is way up over my head in the summer. All right, we're walking back. Hold on, I'll let you guys see the ocean. Can you see it? Probably not much. Hold on. We're going back. I'm gonna hike down of stairs that are hidden. I'm still alive. All right, we're almost back. Thank you guys for joining me on this true adventure in the Maine winter. Cannot feel my hands. Kids stole the gloves. Didn't give them back. I got one eye with water. Even thirsty. I'm getting home. I'm almost back. Now I'm tired. That was like a whole hiking adventure. Can't see. We're back. I can't even breathe. Too much adventure for me. I'm ready for bed. I want to hibernate now like a bear. I don't even have anything exciting to say. Let's see. I didn't lock myself out. Whew. I'm alive. Oh my God. No, not right now. What? It's so... You'll have to go see. Look at my face. It's so... I can't even laugh. Theo just asked if it's so freaking cold out there. Oh my God. My hands are frozen. I need a drink. Gatorade. Oh my god. Guys, I'm out of breath. Look at my hair's wild. This is like, can you open it?
Yeah.
My hands are so cold. I did a
Don't make it not a cold one.
No, I need some, what's it called? Electrolytes.
This one's cold.
Hold on. Sorry guys, hold on 1 second. Can you take the top off? My fingers are really frozen. For reals, for reals. That really made me thirsty. Oh, I'm on the Facebook. Okay, no, we'll hang on that for a second. You can do that, buddy. But I'm talking to my friends here. Hold on, guys. I'm going by the heat. Oh my god, that was like very tiring. I don't even my brain's frozen now. How is everybody faring? Hold on. I can't feel my hands. I'm wild looking. I got some windburn. I just need my fingers to get warm again. I can't think until my fingers get warm. How are you guys doing? How's everybody doing? How's everybody today? Are you staying warm? All right, I might come back later. I gotta go warm up. No, not right now. Bye, guys.
How do I get out? What?
Some marsh, yeah.
I can see the water. It's so frozen. It is pretty snowy. That's crazy.
I know.
It looks like
Whoa.
a sandstorm.
Literally can't see in front of you.
Yeah, it looks like a sandstorm. Instead of a sandstorm, it's a snowstorm.
Exactly. Whoa.
Yeah.
Bro, don't scare me. It's like moving my car.